What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over what 2 skills you need to learn to be able to make $10,000 per month in 2024. All right, guys, so you see I got $10,000 in my hand right now because a lot of you guys need to see it, you know, have a visual so you can see. This is real money, by the way. So you can see, first of all, what $10,000 even looks like. Because a lot of people don't even know. It actually looks kind of light and small if you hold it in a stack. It doesn't even look like that much money. But guys, I'm able to make money like this every single month. And I'm able to do that with these 2 skills that I mastered. Because just like you, I used to go online watching YouTube videos and trying to figure out what I need to do to make money online. And when I first got started online, guys, what I used to do was I used to spam groups. I used to spam comments. I used to be spamming Craigslist. I was a spammer, right? It took me learning these skills to be able to change my life, to be able to make life-changing income, right? And what 2 skills are those? I'm actually talk about it in this video. So make sure you stay tuned to the end because I know a lot of you have a short attention span and you're not able to get through full videos because of, you know, TikTok or Instagram Reels and all these different platforms that are pushing short form content. But I'm sticking to long form content because I feel like this type of content has the most value. I can't really talk about what I want to talk to you about in just 1 minute. So however long this video is, stay tuned to the end because in this video I'm gonna give you everything you need to know to be able to become successful and make $10,000 per month in 2024. Okay, so first things first, guys, let's just start off with the mindset that I had in my experience, because what I'm gonna talk about is my experience of getting to $10,000 per month, right? What it took for me, what 2 skills I learned, and what type of mindset I had to get there, right? Because before I learned these skills, this was my type of mindset. My type of mindset was that I was willing to do whatever, I was willing to give up anything. And what I did was I wrote down my goals, right? So if you're a person out there and you don't have notebooks, planners, so I have a planner here, I have a notebook here, and it just always stays right by my side. Blue ink pen, because I feel like your dreams really manifest with blue ink pens, and that's just some woo-woo stuff. But guys, I'm telling you, get you a notebook and write out your goals for this year, right? So first things you need to write out if you're trying to make $10,000 per month is putting $10,000 a month on your goals. And that was just a bonus skill I'm gonna add in the beginning because writing my goals is what really changed everything for me. When I started writing my goals, things really started manifesting for me. All right, so write down your goals. And I don't say just write it once a year at the top of the year in January. I literally write my goals at least once a month, guys, at least once a month. And then you should be reviewing your goals to make sure you're getting closer and closer, okay? So first things first, the first skill that I mastered was marketing, guys. Marketing is what changed everything for me. Now, like I told you, I was a spammer, right? So my marketing consisted of just free traffic strategies, but it wasn't until I got into paid advertising. So paid marketing, paid traffic. So that means sending people to my websites from ad networks, such as Facebook, such as Google, right? So sending people from those platforms to my website, and that's how I was able to start making money online. So how did I master the art of marketing, guys? I mastered the art of marketing by taking a bunch of courses. Now, I don't want to just say it was a specific course. Literally, if it was a course and it talked about Facebook ads or anything like that, I will buy it. I will watch it, guys. I went through tons and tons of people's content. I studied YouTube countless hours watching tons and tons of tutorials. And I have a bunch of tutorials on this channel. So if you haven't checked out my channel or you're new, make sure you check out all my videos. I actually go into depth and detail on how I ran my paid advertising. But guys, learning paid traffic and how to pay for visitors to my website is what changed the game for me, because literally I would struggle with get traffic. I would struggle with getting people to my website, and I had to learn the correct way to market. So I had to learn how to set up the right audiences, how to do the right type of tracking, how to set up my pixels, how to set up retargeting. Like marketing and paid traffic has a whole umbrella of things. So if you can just commit yourself to just learning paid traffic, learning how to market, I'm telling you guys, everything will change for you, because that's literally what happened for me. And if you're the type of person out there who you struggle with like talking to people, or you're more introverted, I'm telling you, this is the best business for you, because literally I don't have to do anything to make money, right? I don't even have to make this YouTube video, but I make these YouTube videos because these are the type of YouTube videos that I used to watch to get the knowledge to take my skills to the next level. So this is like my form of giving back. I like to be able to help people because it was people out there that was willing to help me and teach me. So that's what I want to do for you guys. All right, so make sure if you're a person out there and you want to make money online, I'm telling you, paid traffic is the way to go. So if you're the type of person where you see all these videos and they're like, free traffic, how I made this for free, how I did this free traffic. Yes, you can make money, guys. Yes, you can make money through blogging. Yes, you can make money through SEO, and it's other free ways you can make money. But at the end of the day, that stuff is slow, and if it's free, most likely a lot of people are doing it because it's a free method. But a lot of people aren't spending money on paid ads, and that's why I feel like it's unsaturated, especially if you could tap into an audience or a niche that's not like slammed, then you're even more golden, because a lot of people, they want to make money online, but they don't understand what it takes to really make money online. And what it really takes is traffic, right? But a lot of people just sit there and focus on free traffic, because that's when I was failing, that's what I was doing, focusing on free traffic. And it wasn't until I switched to paid advertising, setting up ads, that everything changed for me. And the second skill that I'm about to go over is what also changed everything for me, and that is website design, right? So when I learned how to make websites, build websites, and nowadays you don't even have to learn how to do that, because back then I knew how to set up WordPress sites, right? I'm really good at building out websites through WordPress. And what happened was, I would get these plugins with landing page softwares and put them on my WordPress site. And when I started doing that, it changed the game for me. So for everybody out there who's like, all right, what's another skill I need alongside marketing, is basically mastering these landing page softwares, right? Because now you don't even need to know how to build out a full website for website design. All you need to know how to do is just basically drag and drop elements through a landing page software, right? And you can test out many different capture pages, whether it's opt-in, non-opt-in. You could build out product funnels, things like that. And all that is possible through knowing web design. So I'm really good at optimizing pages for like mobile sites, desktop sites. It doesn't really matter. I can do it all. And learning that skill is what really changed the game, because I was able to go out there and see what was actually working in the marketplace and see what pages were actually converting for other people. And how would I know it's converting? Because I would check it on SimilarWeb. I would see it's getting a bunch of traffic. I would see it's been running for a minute. I may have seen the ad repeatedly. So once you see stuff like that, you know, okay, if they're still running it, most likely it's working. So what did I do? I started taking those pages and I started modeling those pages and making my own site, on my own domains. And that's what really changed everything for me. So not only was I able to get paid advertising and get traffic from like Facebook, which is really what really changed my life, Facebook ads, I was able to get traffic from Facebook and send those people from Facebook to my actual landing page, and I was able to convert. And the type of offers I was able to convert was the best type of offer I believe that you can possibly use, which is a single opt-in offer, right? An offer where you only need somebody to fill in their email address to get paid, because a lot of people come online and, you know, they might sign up for ClickBank and all this other stuff, and you have to actually get people to pull out their credit cards and buy something. So that's actually a higher barrier to entry, right? It's a harder way to get a conversion, right? Because somebody has to actually want to purchase and pull out their card to buy, and people are just willy-nilly buying stuff online, right? They need to be convinced. So it's a way to do that, and that still works, don't get me wrong, and it's possible to become successful with that. But I took out all the hard stuff, right? And I just sent people straight from Facebook to a landing page, to a single opt-in offer, where once they just fill out their email, I would get paid, right? And that's what started everything for me. And that's how I was able to hit my first $10,000 per month online, just that by a simple funnel like that, right? Just learning how to make landing pages and websites, learning how to set up these ads, learning how to, do the right targeting and send, 100, 200, 500, 1,000 people per day to that landing page. And from there, I was able to make a bunch of money. So I'm telling you guys, it can really, really work for you, but you gotta have the right mindset, right? Because things can happen. You can face a lot of obstacles doing this. Challenges can come up, and you may get discouraged because something may appear to be hard, or you're not able to figure something out. That's why I offer my private coaching. That's why I offer, my academy and stuff like that to help out the fellow newbies. I also put free videos on this channel so you can get started for free and start practicing, because what a lot of people don't realize is these skills do need to be practiced. You don't need to just be like, okay, I want to make money online. All right, let me try this. And you just try it, and you're like trying to make money the first time you do it. Yes, you want to be gearing yourself for success, but take I want to make $10,000 a month out of it if you're just now getting started. The $10,000 a month should be, okay, I know what I'm doing, now let's get to the money, right? But for those out there who you've never set up a campaign before, you've never ran ads before, you never spent money on traffic, just get in the motion of doing that. Spend 10 bucks a day running some ads. Spend 20 bucks a day just, sending traffic, 30, 50 people to a website consistently every single day and seeing how that turns out for you. And once you start making money every day, it may be 20 bucks a day, it may be 30 bucks a day, guys. And once you're able to do that, then what you can do is you can start focusing on scaling to the $10,000 a month, but just making sure that you know what you're doing, and just getting started is what's really important in the beginning. Because learning these skills, what can happen is you can start facing some challenges, like, okay, maybe you're setting up the ads or whatever, but your click-through rates on your ads aren't converting high enough. But maybe you have a good click-through rate on your ad, but once they're going to your landing page, they're falling off, they're not going to the offer. So you may need to work on your web page design. So, working on your funnel, building out your funnel in a way to where it's converting. And once it's converting, that's when you start putting more money behind it and scaling it up. But you first need to work on having a proven web design or landing page, funnel, whatever you want to call it, and a proven audience that actually wants that offer, right? Once you have those two things together, that's all you need to produce results online. That's how I'm able to make so much money online, guys, using those two elements. Now, it doesn't matter if I run my traffic to a single opt-in offer, run traffic to a cost per sale offer, run my traffic to a download offer, run my traffic to a product. Guys, I can do anything now. I can even run ads for businesses if I wanted to. I just prefer to run traffic to my own businesses for myself, but that's still an option. So however you want to do it, learning these two skills can open up so many doors for you, right? You can apply these skills to e-commerce. You can apply these skills to so many other things. So it doesn't have to just be CPA marketing. I just felt like CPA marketing was the best for me because it was just a simple offer. Who don't want to get paid off of just somebody entering their email address, right? So that's why I actually did that business model. But when you have these two skills, you can pretty much do anything. And that's the God honest truth, right? So for anybody out there who's looking to make money online, who wants to become successful, you want to make $10,000 per month, right? You want to have money like this just in your pocket. How do you get to that step? And I got more money here too, guys. I got even more money here, right? I got money in my pocket too. I got 20s and stuff in my pocket also. Like, I'm able to get money like this all off the internet. I don't go to work, guys. I used to work at a warehouse. I was in college. I dropped out of college to pursue this. Okay, so I take this serious. You need the right mindset too, because at the end of the day, challenges do arise. So you need to be writing down your goals, knowing where you're headed, and staying focused, right? Guys, I listen to affirmations. Guys, sometimes I turn the music off. Sometimes I don't drink. Sometimes I don't party. Sometimes I don't travel. And I just sit at home and I focus up so that if I'm feeling some type of way about my business or anything, that's how I'm able to gain focus and gain clarity on what I need to do. Because when I first started, when I wasn't making any money online, that's what I did. I wasn't partying. I wasn't hanging out. I wasn't drinking. I wasn't listening to rap music. I wasn't doing anything but focus on business, listening to my affirmations, writing down my goals, watching motivation videos, watching course videos, learning more about Facebook ads, learning more about making pages, learning more about just marketing in general. And that's what took my business to the next level. That's what took my life to the next level. So I'm a firm believer in that. And that's what I want to tell you in this actual video. So if you got through this whole video, congratulations. I'm proud of you. Most people cannot do that nowadays. But now you have the skills and you know exactly what you need to do to get to the next level, okay? Don't sleep on this information. Don't just click off this video and go watch some other BS online, right? Go out there, watch tutorials, watch things that help you build. You should be watching website building tutorials. You should be watching tutorials on running ads, whether it's Facebook, whether it's TikTok ads, whatever it is, tutorials. If you need to get inside some courses, some coaching, do whatever you need to do to learn these skills, because once you have these skills, it pays you for life, guys, not just a little bit of time, for life. All right. And yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on if you want to be notified every time I drop a new video. I'm be coming with some more videos very, very soon. My private coaching is open. You can check out the link below this video to get inside that. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.